How to put table of content in Microsoft Word. First of all, click to the main heading and select heading 1. Then click subheading and select heading 2. Now put the cursor where you want to put table of content. Then go to reference and click on table of content. Your table of content is ready. If you press Ctrl and right button, then you will directly reach to that topic. Ctrl plus right click. You can update your table of content as well from update table. Update entire table.